Have you ever woken from sleep with a cloudy mind? Maybe you struggled to remember a friend's name or where you placed your glasses. If you're 65 or older, these memory lapses can feel common. However, they're more than casual forgetfulness. They may signal something more from your brain. Many people don't realize that lapses in memory can worsen during sleep, and ignoring these signs might gradually affect your independence and joy. The good news is that you have more control over this than you might think. In this presentation, I'll introduce 5 simple items from your kitchen that can help enhance and restore your memory even at night. Stay tuned for the end, as I'll also share a specific evening practice to help you greet each day with clarity and enthusiasm. If any of this resonates, type "Indeed" in the comments so we can acknowledge that we're all on this journey together. Let's explore how to revive your memory and intellect. First item: almonds. Let's begin with a modest yet remarkable helper. Almonds, which resemble tiny brains. You may have some in your pantry, and they could be one of the best natural aids for your cognitive health. Many sprinkle them in morning oatmeal or use them in snacks, but their true potential might not be widely known. Within each almond are omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats vital for your brain. Imagine your brain's connections as wires relaying messages. As time passes, these wires may weaken, leading to diminished thoughts and memories. Feeding your brain omega-3s acts like applying a protective coating, helping your thoughts stay vibrant and clear. These nuts also contain beneficial B vitamins and calming minerals, which act as guardians, protecting your brain cells from aging and stress. They can help dispel that sluggish feeling after a heavy meal, keeping your focus sharp. I recall a patient, Clara, 74, who came in worried about her fading memory. I suggested a simple change, adding a small serving of almonds to her daily intake. Months later, she returned with a brighter outlook and increased confidence. The key isn't a miraculous solution, but consistent effort. Just adding a few almonds to your cereal, salads, or as a snack can nourish your brain and preserve mental clarity over time. If this resonates with you, please type "vital" in the comments. It shows we're on the right track and inspires others to adopt these simple yet impactful habits. Second item: blueberries. Next, let's talk about small purple fruits, blueberries. Their rich color conceals gifts from nature. Though tiny, these fruits provide significant boosts to how we process and remember information. These fruits are packed with antioxidants, which help protect your body from oxidative stress, a process that contributes to cellular aging. As we age, our bodies experience the effects of oxidative wear, which these berries can help counteract. Many individuals I've worked with who include blueberries in their diets report noticeable improvements in energy, movement ease, and emotional balance. Their benefits are backed by research and not mere folklore. Historically, native communities recognize their value, using them for strength and protection during long travels. Now, studies confirm this wisdom, supporting mental and physical health. Henry, a 79-year-old man I once helped, started to forget names and events. I recommended adding blueberries to his morning routine, and soon after, he reported feeling more alert and connected to his memories. These berries nourish your body and invigorate your mind. Their sweetness and texture keep your brain engaged, reminding you that even small efforts matter. Try incorporating them into your breakfast or incorporating them into yogurt or salads. What's special about blueberries is they exemplify how little things can pack a powerful punch. If you find this surprising, type "astonishing" in the comments. Third item: dark-fleshed fish. Shifting now from the pantry to the ocean, dark-fleshed fish should be on your radar. Fish like salmon and sardines are not only delicious, but also fantastic for boosting memorization. In my experience with seniors, few dietary choices can make as significant a difference as these aquatic options. They're not just tasty, they provide crucial nutrition for your brain, while also supporting your heart health. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which enhance blood flow and support healthy blood pressure. Optimized blood circulation ensures that your brain gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to remain sharp. Think of it this way. Every brain cell has its own energy reserve, and these vital foods help replenish those reserves while you sleep. They also stabilize your mood and enhance your stamina. During deep sleep, your brain organizes the day's experiences, and nutrients from these fish enhance that vital process. Whether you enjoy salmon at dinner or add sardines to a sandwich, incorporating dark-fleshed fish into your routine can help you wake up feeling more mentally vibrant and focused. Do you currently include dark-fleshed fish in your diet? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Fourth item, turmeric. Next, let's discuss a bright yellow spice, turmeric. In my practice, many older adults express concern about memory loss. I often clarify that the brain recuperates during sleep, and this spice can be a valuable aid in that process. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which directly supports cognitive function during rest. By incorporating turmeric into your meals or evening drinks, you enable your brain to process and solidify information effectively while you sleep. Regularly using turmeric in your diet can help improve clarity and retention of memories upon waking. People often report feeling more mentally alert after making this addition to their diet. Adding this spice to your dishes doesn't require complicated cooking techniques. Just a pinch in soups, stews, or teas does the trick. This straightforward change can lead to lasting benefits for your memory. If this sounds like a practical approach for you, type "excellent" in the comments to acknowledge the potential of this golden spice. Fifth item, rolled oats. Finally, let's talk about rolled oats, a staple in many kitchens. I often hear from older adults about feeling sluggish after breakfast despite eating something in the morning. They might say, "I ate, but I still feel tired." This is because different foods provide varying types of fuel for the brain. For sustained clarity throughout the day, we need slow-releasing energy sources, and rolled oats excel in this regard. These grains break down slowly, providing a continuous stream of energy that keeps your mind focused and your spirits high. The complex carbohydrates in oats prevent spikes and drops in blood sugar, stabilizing your energy levels and aiding concentration. Additionally, oats are rich in B vitamins, essential for optimal brain function. I recall helping Ms. Sophia, a 71-year-old, who primarily consumed sugary snacks for breakfast. She was often forgetful by mid-morning. Once she began incorporating rolled oats into her breakfast routine, she noticed a dramatic increase in wakefulness and focus. You can enjoy rolled oats in various forms, whether as oatmeal, blended into smoothies, or baked into goods. Eating them regularly can ensure that your brain has the resources it needs for sustained performance throughout the day. If you enjoy rolled oats, tell me your favorite preparation in the comments. Bonus practices for renewing sleep. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that much of our memory consolidation occurs during sleep. Many seniors worry about their memory failing, but often it's a matter of not getting adequate restorative rest. To foster better sleep, maintain a regular schedule for going to bed and waking up so your mind can follow its internal clock. Create a restful environment by dimming lights and minimizing noise, signaling your brain to prepare for deep sleep. Steer clear of bright screens an hour before sleeping, as the blue light emitted can inhibit melatonin production, your body's natural sleep hormone. Incorporating calming bedtime rituals such as gentle deep breathing, soothing music, or herbal tea can pacify your mind, setting the stage for fulfilling sleep. Also, be mindful of hydration before bed. While excessive fluid intake can lead to interruptions at night, mild hydration supports your body's cellular functions without disrupting your rest. Consider avoiding stimulating activities before bedtime and opting instead for light reading or relaxing tasks that signal your mind that it's time to unwind. And remember that your sleeping position can impact circulation, so consider lying on your side to promote better blood flow and easier breathing during sleep. Now, what practice do you plan to adopt or change? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's motivate one another to make positive transitions. In conclusion, we've discussed 5 remarkable kitchen items and essential habits that can profoundly enrich our lives as we age. However, understanding is only powerful when followed by action. I challenge you. What is one promise you're making after watching this? Perhaps it's, "I'll add nuts to my breakfast," or "I'll start sleeping better this week." Write your commitment in the comments so we can encourage each other. If you found this session valuable, please tap the like button. It means a lot. To join our journey and catch more insightful content, hit follow. Lastly, think of someone who could benefit from this information, a friend or family member, and share this with them. Your gesture could enhance their clarity and enjoyment in life. Thank you for your time. Stay well and insightful, and see you next time.